Welcome back, friends. Thanks for being here. In this video, we're going to take a moment to burn the BIOS ROM for the 8088 machine. What I have is a flash chip. Take a second and pause the screen if you want to see the part numbers and all that jazz. I have a flash chip from Microchip, and I have a USB-based flash programmer. I guess it'll program a whole bunch of things besides just a flash. When you're looking for one of these guys, take a look at the website and you can actually see the list of supported chips on the website, and they come with a bunch of adapters to fit into this ZIF socket here to allow you to program a whole bunch of other kinds of chips. I got this one after trying a previous device that didn't work out so hot. This one works a lot better, as you're about to see. So let's get started into it. First thing we have to do is download the drivers. Drivers are on that web page that I just showed you. I'll have links to those two down in the description as usual. So let's get the driver installed. So we will extract it to the desktop. I am running this inside of VirtualBox, and it's running on Windows XP, as you can see. I prefer to do things like this inside of a VirtualBox machine. In case I make a mess, I can clean it up and start over again. I don't want to have a whole bunch of drivers installed for a whole bunch of hardware that I use on a very short-term basis. I really don't want to make a mess of my own desktop machine. This is just a plain Jane, boring Windows XP 32-bit install. And on there, I'm going to install the drivers. So find a .inf file and right-click on it, choose Install. It will do the thing very quickly behind the scenes. And then you can attach the USB programmer to your USB port. Since this is VirtualBox, I got to do an extra step. Drop down the menu, the Devices menu under the VirtualBox VM, and then pick USB, and then pick the thing, and then Windows will find it and will ask me where to install it from. I'm going to choose a specific location. I'm going to stop the CD-ROM search, and I'm going to choose my location as the desktop under the drivers folder that we just extracted under Windows XP 32-bit. Choose OK, hit next. This driver is only about 1 meg in size, but it takes a really long time to install. And we're done with that. Next thing is to install the program itself. This is the GQ USB Programmer Setup Wizard. Click next, 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 install, finish. Launch the software, and software is updated and ready. You can see that we've got the green check mark down here and the ready word in the bottom corner, and up here it says software is updated and everything is good to go. So what I need to do is go to the device menu, choose device list, and I can start typing in this search device 4 box, the manufacturer's part number, SST39SF010A, and it gets more and more narrowed down the more you type. I've typed in enough on my side. This is a DIP chip, and therefore it's not a PLCC and not a TSOP, so I will choose that. I will hit select. It's going to double check the programmer, do some things. And over here on the side, you can see the orientation that it wants you to put the chip into the ZIF socket on the programmer. Sometimes it'll want it a little higher, sometimes a little lower, sometimes you might need an adapter. In this case, you put it all the way in at the bottom, lock it into the ZIF socket. I am going to do an erase. Yes, I'm sure I want to erase it. All done. I'm going to do a blank check, make sure that the chip is blank, and then I'm going to open up the BIOS file. Again, links to this will be down in the description below. I'm going to choose the BIOS 128 2.0 binary file. Open that up. Keep all the defaults set up here. Hit OK, and then hit write. When it's done writing, it does an automatic verify. So one less thing I have to click on, and we are done. Fairly straightforward. Like I said, I did try another USB-based ROM programmer device. Did not work as well as this, and this is the one from the MCU Mall. And it is the GQ-4x4, and as you can see, it worked fantastically. It did the thing, and stay tuned next, where we will be building the video card. It is a Paradise VGA card, and it's going to be a little bit of fun because it has a surface mount, not Paradise VGA, it's Trident VGA. It has a surface mount Trident VGA chip on it, and I've got to do some surface mount soldering, so that'll be fun. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this or maybe even found it useful. If you'd like to support my channel, see the description below for the tip jar and mailbag, and stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe, bell, bye. Thank you.